Hi everyone, welcome to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix dead images that come from Facebook Marketplace. So this is personal Facebook Marketplace. If you're on Facebook Shops, you don't have to worry about this. But this video will really help you out if you're experiencing dead images from personal Facebook Marketplace. So this is one of those things where Facebook is sort of just changing things on us. And whether you're a seller on Facebook or you're a software like us, we're sort of like paving the path. We're like one of the fullest softwares for Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops, and they keep changing things on us too, right? So we run into errors that we could have never imagined, but we try our best to combat those errors. And here we have a surefire way to fix dead images that come from personal Facebook Marketplace, and we'll show you why they occur in the first place. So basically, when you're doing a sync of your products for repricing, just like that, Fbmfox pulls in that product for you in your Fbmfox account, right? And here you have the product, and if you click on edit, you'll see it has one image and it has, the title and all of that stuff, and it's missing the supplier link. But if you click on this image, here it is, and here is the Facebook URL, right? This is a Facebook image, right? So we do this because for repricing, we point our product to Facebook, right? For repricing, we pull their images so your product looks good and it's imported. But little did we know is that some of these products, they end up, after 2 days or after 1 day or after 7 days, they end up looking like this right here. So if I click on edit, if I click on images, this was a product that was pulled in on December 7th, as you can see, December 7th. So that was like 2 weeks ago. And if I click on this image, it says URL signature expired. But this image is fine, right? So basically what we found out is after a certain period of time, whether it's 1 day or 7 days or 2 weeks, Facebook changes part of their URL hash, which basically invalidates an image completely. So we have this image that's pointing to an old Facebook image, and it basically creates a dead image for you, right? Isn't that nice? So it's one of those things that, we found a way to combat it by completely moving away from Facebook. So moving forward, we won't be pulling the image from Facebook at all, but instead we've created a way to pull supplier images much easily. And one more thing is, this image right here, it says URL expired, but if I go to another state, let's say Chicago, it'll work. But if I go to like Kentucky, it won't work, right? So it's just this weird thing where Facebook is, whether you're a software or a seller or a buyer, I guess they just change things on everybody to ensure security, I guess. But regardless, we can go ahead and fix this very quickly, and it's only going to require you to fix it once and for all, because we're no longer pulling Facebook images. We thought it would be a cool idea, but Facebook has proved us wrong. So let's click on edit. For the images that are messed up, you just need to click on edit, and then make sure your supplier link is in there, right? And this is a good example because it has a variation also. So here, my product has a black leg variation. So we want to pull just the black leg image, right? So we'll go back into images, and then all we need to do is click on pull supplier images. And we just wait about 10 to 20 seconds, and the new supplier images are going to come in for us, and we can just delete this dead image, and we'll no longer have dead images because we're not going to pull Facebook images anymore. So now you can see that my black leg image is in here, and here's a black leg image, right? And we are good to go. Now you can save this product, and this product's images will stay there and they will not disappear on you because we're no longer using Facebook's images. And on top of that, let's say you didn't want the variation, right? So you could just delete that from the variation section and go back into your images and click pull supplier images. And this time around, it's going to pull every single image from that product from your supplier. So here you can see we have some gold variations. We have some black in there, and you can delete and adjust products as you wish. So let's say you didn't set a variation. So I'm just going to move my image to the front there because I want the black one. And just going to delete all these golden ones. And I'm going to go back into my description and type black leg because in the future, that's what I want the price tracking to take care of. So anyways, once again, we just press save changes and we should be good to go. The product's image is saved, and once again, it's not going to disappear on you and you are good to go. I hope this resolves your issue. We'll see you guys in the next video. If you haven't started using Fbmfox yet, hop on board. We are creating the best software possible for Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops. If you haven't started the free trial yet, 7 days free, link in the description below. You can cancel anytime, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.